You've probably heard some people say that they make money through affiliate marketing. But what does that actually mean? How do people make money from just posting links online? In this video, we're breaking down how exactly affiliate marketing works, how people make money from it, and why companies are willing to pay everyday creators commissions for promoting their products. Let's get into it. Affiliate marketing has become one of the biggest online business models in the world. And chances are, you've already clicked on affiliate links without even realizing it. At its core, affiliate marketing is a simple concept. A company gives someone a tracking link to promote their product. If another person clicks that link and buys something, the promoter gets a commission. That's it. So the company gets a sale, the purchaser gets a product, and the affiliate earns a percentage of the sale. Affiliate marketing is basically referral marketing on the internet. Businesses are paying people to help bring them customers. Now, you might be wondering, why would a company just give away money like this? That's because it's actually cheaper and lower risk than traditional advertising. Think about it. Instead of paying upfront for commercials or ads that may not work, companies only pay when a sale actually happens, and that is super profitable for businesses. Affiliate marketing allows companies to reach huge audiences through creators, bloggers, YouTubers, and social media pages. And because affiliates only get paid when results happen, companies see it as performance-based marketing. Now, here's where things get interesting. Most affiliates make money by creating content. Examples would be YouTube, TikTok, Instagram posts, stuff like that. They post affiliate links in descriptions, websites, or posts, and when someone clicks on the link and buys something, they earn a commission. This is why you'll often hear creators say things like, links are in the description, or I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. That is affiliate marketing in action. Now, one of the biggest affiliate programs in the world is Amazon Associates. Here's how that works. Someone recommends a product on Amazon using their affiliate link. When someone goes to buy that product, the creator is going to earn a commission for that. Now, it can start small. You're typically not going to get a huge commission for each sale, but over time, if you sell a lot, that can really add up. This is why many creators review products online. They're not only earning views from content, they may also be earning affiliate commissions from purchases. Now, don't be fooled. A lot of people talk about affiliate marketing as if it is some easy passive income tool. And while it can be used for that, it again can take time to add up. Most successful affiliates are going to take months, even years to have success with this while they build up their audience, build trust, and continue to put out reliable content because let's be real, people are going to buy things from who they know, like, and trust. Affiliate marketing is not magic. It's still marketing, and building attention online takes consistent effort. Now, something that I just alluded to a second ago, trust. This is going to be one of the most important things with affiliate marketing. If you're just promoting something that you don't believe in for the opportunity to make money, people are going to sniff that out. You really want to focus on products that you enjoy, that you have a good testimonial for, and that you would recommend to your audience. All of this to say, successful affiliate marketing is built on credibility. The most successful affiliate marketers usually focus on helping first and selling second. That's what builds long-term audiences. Now, can beginners start with affiliate marketing? Absolutely. You do not need millions of followers to be successful at affiliate marketing. In fact, many creators start small by doing product review or tutorial videos. The key to this is finding a topic that people actually care about and are searching for. Even small audiences can generate commissions if the audience is engaged and trusts the creator. Now, at the end of the day, affiliate marketing is very similar to referral marketing. Companies are paying people to help generate sales for them online. And while it's not instant money, affiliate marketing has become a reliable stream of income for content creators, bloggers, and entrepreneurs around the world. The key is understanding this. Affiliate marketing works best when you understand your audience and provide something of value to them. Think about your audience, don't think about yourself, and you can provide some real value here. Build trust, create that valuable content, and help people make informed decisions. That is what is going to separate sustainable affiliate marketing from just quick internet hype. I'm curious, what further questions do you have about affiliate marketing? Let me know down in the comments. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you all in the next one.